Thoughtful Thursdays. And you know, Thoughtful Thursdays is about all the interesting conversations that I have with people and what sets me thinking. And this time, what set me thinking, and it happened twice, is biases. I know you have read a lot about biases, or you will quickly look at ChatGPT and it will tell you all about biases. But what I want to leave you with is biases affect our decisions. It can create an error in thinking. Think about it from the research perspective or think from a business perspective or as a leader. And I'll tell you how bias identification is the single most important skill set that everybody needs to have. So, what happened to me? We all think that women buy everything for men. It is true. Okay? And many will say, oh, what rubbish, I can't believe it. Really? Yes, it is true. And I felt a trap to the same bias. Of course. So we were doing a bedsheet study, bedsheets and towels. And I said, yeah, women must be buying bedsheets and women might buy towels also, right? Because in the past, I've heard that women buy everything. When we started the project, and you can check this because Karan Sabnis was a very young researcher along with me, and we were talking and he said, you know, Priya, I don't think so. Women are really buying men towels. I said, what? My bias, my generalized stereotype affected my thinking. The moment I realized there was an error in my thinking, we changed the course of the research. We started talking to men about their bath towels. Haven't you not seen men wrap their towels and come out of the bathroom, shave, and maybe even if the doorbell rings? I've seen it in so many movies, and that flashed back in my mind. I said, yeah, of course, we need to talk to the men. Maybe things are changing. We need to know why men are buying their own towels. What is the deal with all of that? But the most important thing is I always keep repeating. What is the benefit of the product? What need is it going to solve? The single most important thing that this client of ours had, or the brand had, the length of the towel. They were making the length of the towels very big, and it was ideal for men. And that pain point and frustration was what we were able to solve. So always question your bias. Sit and see what biases you have. And believe me, it's not easy. It requires two things, self-awareness and critical thinking. Hang on and watch my episodes of Daniel Kahneman where I've spoken about System 1 and System 2. That is just the beginning of our biases, beliefs, and stereotypes. And if you like what I say and you want to know more, reach out to us.